Enabling or disabling keyboard autocorrection on your iPhone 15 allows you to customize your typing experience, either relying on the device's built-in correction capabilities or maintaining full control over your text input. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. Once you're in the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. On the following screen, scroll down again and tap on Keyboard. Navigate to the All Keyboards section, then find Auto Correction. To disable the feature, simply tap the toggle switch next to Auto Correction to the off position. Otherwise, toggle the switch to the on position. When enabled, your iPhone will automatically attempt to correct spelling mistakes as you type. It will replace misspelled words with what it believes to be the correct spelling when you hit the space bar or punctuation. When the autocorrect feature is disabled, your iPhone won't automatically correct your spelling. You'll have full control over your text input without automatic interventions. To test the feature, open any app that uses the keyboard, like Notes or Messages, and then try typing some words with intentional misspellings. You should see auto corrections if the feature is turned on. This feature allows you to balance between typing efficiency and precise control over your text input on your iPhone 15. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.